This is Miles's giant cardboard marble run that he made. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Are you ready? Let's see how they're going to do. Now this marble run is very creative. It keeps score of who the winners and losers are.
Blue's good. I had a yellow. No, who's got? No, we can't. Who's getting it? Getting yellow, but the yellow gets his tail.
And you can see some of them finish in the. Well, you got a 6. You got a 9. You got a 7.
And we got a winner.
You got a winner. Okay. Now the whole thing is made out of cardboard and some mega blocks just to hold it up. And he has been having a great time with this. We're going to make some extensions on it in the next couple of days. But for right now, he is really having a great time. Here they come. They're coming down the home stretch here. They're coming down the home stretch. You have any winners?
Okay, we got a winner.
They're going through the obstacle course.
Blue takes the utterly.
Who's winning, Miles? Who's winning?
Blues are winning the round.
Who's winning? You got any 10s?
Oh,
we got a 10.
We got a 10.
We got a 9.
And
We got a 6.
We got a winner yet? No,
Oh!
we have a tie. We're gonna take the first. Like blue. Ooh, the blues are getting. So they both have the same.
Ooh, ah! Ooh, ah! Who's winning? Who's winning? Who's winning? Who's winning? Who's winning? Who's winning, Miles? You keeping score? You keeping score? Oh, you got a 10. You got a 5. Oh,
Blue got 5. Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, no one comes out of nowhere. No, Blue winning. Oh, actually, Blue is winning. Bouncing up to second place rounds. Bound. You see the corner leak?
Oh, you got a couple of 10s.
Gets up